This PRV Audio TW400Ti-Nd-4 tweeter pair delivers very crisp, detailed highs that easily cut through loud pro audio, home, or car systems without sounding harsh when set up correctly. The compact, shallow motor design makes installation easier in tight spaces, especially in custom car doors, pillars, or crowded speaker baffles. Its titanium diaphragm and lightweight Kapton voice coil former provide impressive efficiency, so you get strong output even with moderate amplifier power. With power handling suited for demanding systems and a recommended steep crossover, these tweeters stay clean at high volumes and keep up with powerful mid-bass drivers. The easily replaceable, solder-free diaphragm design is a thoughtful touch that makes long-term maintenance and repairs far less of a headache for frequent users. Included protection capacitor and mounting hardware help you get the tweeters installed and playing safely right away without hunting for extra small parts.